Okay, this is also seawater, kan? But this seawater, we add a lot of sodium carbonate inside. So there's a lot of carbonate, I suspect, kan? So actually, we should go there and timbang again, kan?
Yeah.
But I don't want, because I don't want to waste time.
Okay.
So I just pretend this thing we timbang lah, and we get just now like 4 point something lah, because also 4 times lah, more or less. Okay, the same volume, the same mass. Okay, so we try go down a bit. Okay, so one question.
Dia kena petak dia timbang.
One question. You think this one, if we add this, right, should we measure also the mass? UPW? Why? Why? Apa yang still the same? Molarity of what? Of the?
Sampai dekat
Apa yang kenapa dia tadi?
itu soalan dia.
What's the answer? Why? Okay. Yeah. So you have carbonate, bicarbonate inside here. But this one, UPW, do you have bicarbonate, carbonate? No, right? So it doesn't affect. Yeah. The acid, it will only react with the carbonate, bicarbonate here. There's no bicarbonate here to react, so we don't need to record this thing. Okay, this is just to top up. Okay, so now we start to do the titration again. Again, we start with 10. Ultra pure water, ultra pure water.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the starting pH, let's measure. Oh, 10 ah. Okay, just now the one I erased lah. So now 10.51. Okay, so I add this one, measure again. Also 100.
Dia ada bicarbonate kan, doktor?
Ada, I think there should be some bicarbonate and also carbonate. Oh, it's just 10.48.
48.
So you see the drop,
Yes.
very
Minimal.
minimal, just 0.03 ya. Betul lah, 0.03. So okay. So if I keep on titrate like this, it will take
Time.
very long time, right? So what should I do? You want to titrate until around 4 point something, oh, right? So from 10 to 4 point something, that's how many times you need to do? There's a lot. I mean a lot repetition. So we increase. It's either we increase what?
Volume.
The volume, and another thing we can also increase the yes, it's either we increase the volume or the molarity of this acid. Since the molarity acid is 0.1 fixed already lah, we bought some fixed volume, so I cannot concentrate this already. So what I can do is just change the volume lah. Okay, and then so now let's try with 500 lah. This is 500 huh? Here is 50, but it's 500 for this. So let's see how much it drops. Measure. Doesn't drop much. Okay. So if we see it doesn't drop much, we can still increase. Okay. To 1 ml lah. So this one just now we add. This is 32. This is 500. Sorry. So 500 plus 100 is 600. 600 microliter added. So now we add 1000. So it's 1600. Okay, let's see how much it changed. Reflected a bit. Nice. So 9.9493. Okay, so we continue. I hope we have enough acid. Okay, so we keep on another 1000. Okay, so here will be 2600. So now 9.33. 31. Doesn't matter. Okay, another. So we keep on titrating until it close to 4. You need a bit of patience, yeah. 3600. 8 point. Now 7. 7.767. Still changing. Yeah. That is stable. Now you see the change quite dramatic already. Yeah. So since it changed a lot, so now I try to reduce it to how much? How much you think? 200? Let's try 200.
500.
500. Guys ni macam tak sabar kan? 500. Okay, let's do 500. 7.55. But be careful, we don't overshoot. And if you overshoot, we have to redo it again.
4.
So if 500 will be
410.
Okay. 7.13. Okay. Proceed. So this will be 4, 6. So if you have a group member, So you can gotong royong sikit lah. Kan, you can help out a bit. If one person do, maybe slow a bit lah. But more people better. 6.71. Okay, 5600. Let's try. Ui. And oh. Tak cukup storage, dah habis. Tak apa. We pakai phone je lah. We use phone je lah.
Tak nak pause ke?